popping beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela, also known as Popping Pigments. Today this is the look that I created for you guys. If you want to see how I created it, just keep on watching. So I'm just starting with my brows first. If you would like a video devoted to my brows, I can definitely do that. How to avoid getting the box eyebrows is that we want to not fill in straight to the front, and then we want to go in with a spoolie and just take that excess product from in the brow. We're just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in with the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my brows. The reason that I use such a light concealer is because it really gets the pigment from the eyeshadow. You really want to pat that concealer and get it as blended as possible. Today I'm using the Matte Butt by the Crayon case, and I'm going to tap some of that light pink directly under my brow bone, and we're just going to build up that pigmentation, and then we will begin to blend out that pink. I'm only carrying it in the inner corner underneath my brow bone because we have many other colors to use. I'm taking some of that light green and I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner and just blend it into that pink shade. I'm then going into the darkest blue in the palette, and I'm just going to tap that underneath the pink. Because this color was so pigmented, I had to really be careful with how far I was carrying it so it would not overpower that pink. Taking the dark green from the palette, I'm just going to apply that directly under the light green, and I'm just going to blend that out. The shade I'm using to cut my crease is Natural from LA Pro Concealer. I just wanted to show you in real time how long it takes me to cut my crease. You can take your time cutting the crease. Do not feel rushed. Just take your time and map out the crease, and then just begin to cut it. If you see any imperfections, just don't freak out. Just cut the crease and take your time. Remember to always blend out your concealer with a fluffy blending brush after you cut the crease, because we just work hard on cutting the crease. We don't want it to be still wet, and we don't want a patchy cut crease. So just make sure you blend it out. Going back in with that dark green, and we're just going to blend it back into the concealer because we lost some of the pigment when we were blending out the concealer. Just want to keep blending, okay? We want smooth transition, so we can just keep blending. Don't worry about your hands. They're going to hurt, but you want to know that cut crease is going to be cut, and you're going to be popping, honey. The first lid color that I'm going into is going to be yellow, and we're just going to tap that in the inner corner only, and we're just going to really tap that lightly, because when you're using mattes, they get a little messy, and we don't want the patchiness, so we're just going to tap that lightly. Taking that orange, I'm just going to apply that right after that yellow. Again, we're just tapping lightly. We're taking our time to really get those colors blended and as smooth as possible. Taking some of that dark pink, we're really going to blend that into the orange shade, and we're really just tapping it on, just nice and easy, and really just blending out those colors together. I went back in with some of the orange just to get a smooth transition. I took some of that dark green that we were using before, and I blended it into the pink just to have a smooth transition. As usual, I'm using my Luxestylesbim lashes in style number 8. These are actually my favorite lashes. I love them. They're fluffy. They're nice. I just love them. So I'm here applying my lashes, and I slowed it down so you guys can see exactly how long it takes me to apply my lashes. You always want to squeeze your natural lashes in with your falsies. If you have textured skin or you have very enlarged pores, this is a very good drugstore option. It really gets the skin really smooth. I'm going in with my Maybelline 360 foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to spread this all over my face. Remember, we're just tapping in that foundation. We don't want to sweat because we don't want to disturb the primer and everything that we did underneath that foundation. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to start to blend out that harsh line, and we're just going to try to make everything as smooth as possible. Taking my Elegant Pro concealer, I'm just going to put that directly under my eye and on my chin and on my nose. I'm blending out all of my highlighted areas under my eye, on my nose, on my chin. We're just going to blend out all of the highlighted areas. I go in with a beauty blender to just blend out that nose highlight because I see the best results when I do it that way. Taking some of my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, we're just dabbing that on top of all of my highlighted areas. I'm just dusting away all of the excess setting powder that we have. All of the areas that I did not set with setting powder, I'm just going in with some face powder and I'm just going to tap that in. I'm taking my contour in circular motions on my cheek, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other cheek, and then I'm going to apply some to my forehead. We need to be popping. We need to just OD on the highlight. We just need to be seen from space. That is the ultimate goal. Okay, we can just apply it till we just overdo it, period. Taking some of that dark green, we're just going to apply that to the under eye, and we're just going to put that in the outer corner only, and we're just going to really try to blend that out and smoke that out. Then I'm going into that orange shade and I'm just going to pat that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going in with one of the shimmer shadows and I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner just to give it that pop effect. Y'all already know, just a drugstore gloss, nothing fancy. And we're just going to make those lips popping. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to stay popping. Bye!